Today I'll show you how to sharpen a saw in just 4 steps. Too rusty, we'd rather sharpen the blue saw. We'll only do the work that's really necessary. We'll skip the other steps. First, we grind off the rust. If your saw is in better condition, you will need even fewer steps. The method shown here can only be used to sharpen saws whose teeth have not been hardened. It's okay if some rust remains. Now we give each tooth a simple sharpening. Just run the file through each gap once. This 9 by 9 cm piece was cut in 3 minutes. Next, we straighten the crooked saw blade. The saw cut is too narrow and the saw jams. The teeth of the saw will need to be set. Without special tools, we make do with a hammer and a flathead screwdriver. Those were the 4 simple steps. Have fun sawing! Bye and see you next time.